Hello everybody. So guys, in this lecture we'll be talking about the how to download the Bootstrap and use it in a project. So I'm just going to click on download button and it's going to be downloading in a little while. Okay. Yeah. So here we've got this, the Bootstrap 4.0.0 -dist.zip, and I'm just gonna open this up and I'm just gonna copy this on a specific folder. So there I did it, and there is a folder, the Bootstrap 4.0.0. I'm just extracting this, and there I've got it. Okay, there is a folder, and inside that folder I got two folders. I'm just cutting both of them and pasting there. Okay, I'm just deleting that one because I do not need that anymore, and yeah, I can delete that too because this is also not necessary anymore, so delete that. And there are the CSS files, a lot of CSS files you can see here, like the Bootstrap CSS, Bootstrap min, and etc. I'm going back, and there is the JS, the Bootstrap bundle, Bootstrap.js, and the Bootstrap min. But well, because remember previously we was just using the CDNs, so that was cool, but now I need another thing. I need the jQuery too, so jQuery.com is necessary. I can close that. By the way, why the jQuery is necessary? Because I'm just downloading it. Download the compressed jQuery. I got it too. So let's just open this up, and there is jQuery too. I'm just cutting and pasting this inside the JS folder, and there is a jQuery. I'm just changing the name of the jQuery to making it easier to read, and it's now only the jQuery. And the bootstrap.min.json Bootstrap, both are cool. Okay, now let's just talk about the structure of the Bootstrap while we just copy that. First, talk about the CSS. The bootstrap.css and the bootstrap.min.css. What is the basic difference between them? And remember, when we just go there, you can see that they download compressed production jQuery, download uncompressed development jQuery. By the way, there are some more other versions, like the downloading jQuery using npm or yarn or etc, the bower etc. But the thing is, we was in a jQuery 3.1, but the uncompressed and the compressed version, what's the difference between? You can see that the name, they download the compressed production jQuery, and development jQuery means when you're just developing something, you can use this one. Once you're done, you can use this one. What's the difference? You know, coding has a manner. We put spaces, we put line breaks, and a lot of things which actually consumes a lot of space and extra size and weight. So to make things lightweight, we just make things compressed in production version, and in this version we don't put the spaces, extra spaces, or even the usable spaces, because we are not gonna open this file. I'm not gonna crack this file, the jQuery file, so no problem for us, and we can use the production version without spaces, without line breaks, and anything, any extra thing. So the file will be like, I'm going to show you the file so you will understand this in a better direction. If I just open this, the CSS, where is nothing in the file I can see. Go there, and there is a bootstrap.css. There it is. You can see that jQuery is loaded, but Bootstrap is not working fine. I think we just need to refresh that. I'll refresh I'll just open this and close. It will find. By the way, that's not a problem. You can see that this is a bootstrap.css, looking like the Bootstrap, you know, spaces, perfect spaces, line breaks, and line break after every property. But what if I just open the bootstrap.min.json? You can see that the difference between the size, the 142 and 174, there is a difference between them, between the sizes too. So now you can see that this Bootstrap is actually, if I just go there, you can see that this is the whole Bootstrap things. You can see that in a single line they've put it everything. You can see that this line is actually the Bootstrap. This is everything of the Bootstrap. You can see that it's ending there. Okay, so no space, nothing like that. You can see that, and this is just a Bootstrap. If I just line break it, you can see that every code is there and now ready to display there, because it's a kind of starting and ending the comment section. So it's just starting in the same line, so that's why we're just getting this in a gray color, but that's not a problem because it's actually active, and we're just watching this in gray color because of this sublime things. So no problem. If I just go there, and if I just if I just close both of them. So the thing is, the .min.js means the minified version of any program, any library. Like the Bootstrap CSS is actually Bootstrap, and this is a minified version of the Bootstrap. We'll be using this one, so this will make a difference. This is lightweight, so this will put less. This will use less resources of the user, so user will be happy and we'll be happy too. In the same sense, if you just go there, the Bootstrap and bootstrap.min.js. Then what about the other files like the grade.css, the grade min, the reboot? There are different kind of other libraries and other elements. If you just want to use them partially, you can use that, but we just do not need this because we're going to use them. And in the same way, this same thing is happening here, but this is the necessary thing, the jQuery.js. So we just changed that name, and now we're gonna use things here. So I'm not gonna use the popper.min.js for now. I'm just deleting that. I'm just directly going there, and I just have to change this, and I just need to put the actual address css slash we are already inside the Bootstrap folder, and there is the index.html file, and inside that index.html file, save it, css slash bootstrap.min.js. I'm going there and I'm just refreshing that, and it's still loading. Just imagine if I just change the name like mins.js, it shouldn't be loading. Refresh the file. Okay, it's still loading. That means things are suspicious. Bootstrap index.html file is actually correct. Why it's getting loaded at all when I'm putting a wrong name? Okay, delete that. Oh, I see, man. I just did a little thing that I just made the update on the script, the bootstrap.min.js. I was just talking about the CSS, so I just need to go there, and I just need to delete this link. Actually, I didn't need to go there. Now I just put it as CSS. Now I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that. Okay, you can see that the style gone. Make it like that and go there back and refresh that again, and now you can see that the effect is actually there and working. So integrity is not necessary. The cross origin, these things are not necessary anymore. And I'll save it and go to the browser, so everything is actually working fine. Okay, cool. So now we just need to do the same thing with the jQuery. I'm not going to use the slim version here. I'm using the jQuery version, the jQuery 3.3.1, and I do not need this link because the file is going to be loaded from the JS folder here, and I'm just going to do the same with this one. So the JS folder and then JS slash bootstrap.min.js, and yeah, integrity is not necessary anymore. We can delete that. We can delete that one too, and in this context, just delete that too and save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Okay, okay, it's applied. So I think now you understood how to use the jQuery, how to use the Bootstrap and jQuery, the downloaded package of them. So in the next lecture, we'll be talking about something more different. Stay tuned and goodbye.